Greetings, my name is Robin Walker. I'm also known as the Black History Man. I am perhaps best known for my 2006 book, When We Ruled. Based on this book, I'm launching a new online history course aimed at you, the adults. You could be a parent, you could be a teacher, a mechanic, cleaner, professionals, care workers, security guards, taxi drivers, kitchen workers, entrepreneurs, tech heads, lawyers, all of you. We want people from all over the world to be empowered by our content. We want you to gain mastery over your history and heritage. And you can do this by subscribing to our course. Click on the link to get this powerful, life-changing material. As a thank you for visiting our website, we are giving you a free copy of our exclusive 100 Black History Facts, which is in fact a taster of our course content. Make sure you leave your email address and we will send it right to you. We hope it inspires you to dig deeper into your history and heritage. History and identity are big concepts that many people in our community struggle with. A big reason for this is that Black history and African heritage is hardly taught anywhere. Schools, colleges, universities, institutions, museums are all agreed in not teaching this history and heritage. It has been kept secret. Consequently, most people in our community feel culturally empty. Most of us feel our heritage is lesser than compared to other people's heritage. However, I am changing this. With your support, we can change this. We can change this sense of emptiness to a sense of pride. We can change the mentality in our communities from a negative sense of self and group worth to a positive sense of self and group worth. Over the last 30 years, I have put together courses, workshops, lectures, museum tours and conferences on Black history and African heritage to teach and inspire the people. But my courses were only taught in the British cities of London, Birmingham, Bristol, Liverpool, Bradford and Leeds. If you are on those courses, I salute you. But I could not reach everybody. We are going to change this as well. Together with my colleagues, we are launching an adult education online program aimed at you. It is called The Black Secret. Based on the book When We Ruled, we are offering you access to the most detailed Black history and adult education program ever. Many years ago, some of you may know about the legendary Professor John Henrik Clarke proposing a Black history or African heritage course. Brilliant though it was, and it was indeed brilliant, ours is even more complete. Of course, The Black Secret is online, so you can get the content at any time or place at your convenience. We want people from all over the world to master our content. You could be in New York, Atlanta, Kingston, Port of Spain, Accra, Abuja, Johannesburg, Nairobi, everywhere. We welcome you all. The workshops and lectures were originally filmed in a London classroom. Now people from all over the world are welcomed to join us. Click on the link below to subscribe or to get more information. Some people have asked me, Robin, why is it called The Black Secret? The Black Secret is a fundamental empowerment concept. Our motto is quietly empowering the people. We want to produce adults who can move themselves forward and the community forward. We want to engage people from across the world with this program. And we will do this in two ways: through the Black Secret Education Project and through the Black Secret Business Project. Other people have asked me, Robin, why is it called the Black Secret? Secrets empower those who know, and it disempowers those who do not know. Unfortunately, Black history is still kept a secret. However, there are people outside our community who do know our heritage, but they've kept it quite apart from the rest of the community. They've kept it for themselves to empower themselves. Interestingly, The Secret, many of you have come across the film The Secret, revealed principles of self-empowerment to the masses. Consequently, the Black Secret reveals empowering information on Black history and heritage with the ultimate aim of empowering people, not just through our education project, which is the When We Ruled History course, but also through the Black Secret Business Project. The Black Secret will be revealed in 4 phases over the next 18 months or so. Phase 1 is the Black Secret Education Project, and it focuses on medieval Africa. This is the phase of the project that we are rolling out right now. We will charge subscribers £15 per calendar month to subscribe to our content. Anyone who subscribes at this price will maintain this price for all the phases of the project. So it makes sense to get in now. Phase 2 is also the Black Secret Education Project, but this time the focus will be on ancient Africa. This is where we deal with Kemet, this is where we deal with Kush, this is where we deal with human origins. This is the phase of the project that we will roll out by summer 2022. Unfortunately, the new subscription costs will be higher for people who join at this point. Again, I'm emphasizing that you would be better off jumping in as early as you can. Phase 3 is the Black Secret Education Project, which focuses on global Black history and heritage over the last 500 years. This is the phase of the project that we aim to roll out by winter 2022. Unfortunately, the new subscription costs will be even higher for people who join at this point. Phase 4 of the Black Secret is the Business Project. This is where we will involve affiliate marketers, and this is the part of the project that we aim to roll out by spring 2023. So what is the Black Secret Education Program? Well, it's mostly based on the book When We Ruled. And the Phase 1 program looks at the early history of the lands today called Angola, Cameroon, Chad, Congo, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Gambia, Guinea, Kenya, Mauritania, Morocco, Mozambique, Niger, Nigeria, Senegal, Somalia, South Africa, Sudan, Tanzania, and Zimbabwe. I show that there is a huge amount of pride that all Black people can take pride in. Huge amounts of history, huge amounts of heritage. There are monuments there, coins, fine art, great architecture, scientific endeavor, and technological endeavor. So what actually is the detailed content? We will deal with the West African superstates of ancient Ghana, medieval Mali, and the Songhai Empire. We will deal with the civilization of the Moors. We will deal with the ancient and medieval history of Nigeria. We will deal with Mai Idris Saluma and the Empire of Kanem Bornu. We will deal with the East African civilization of Ethiopia and Eritrea. We will deal with the medieval Nubian kingdoms. We will deal with An and Zinga and the kingdoms of Congo and Ndongo/Matamba. We will deal with the southern African civilizations of Great Zimbabwe and Munu-Mutapa. And we will deal with the East African coast, the land of the Swahilis. Now, in dealing with this history and heritage, there's a lot of people I need to introduce you to. So you need to know who An and Zinga was, Dahia el-Kahina, Emperor Tankamenin, Mansa Musa, Mansa Abubakari, Sunni Ali, Askia the Great, Professor Ahmed Baba, Oba El-Ware, Sarki Dauda, Queen Amina, Mai Idris Aluma, Queen Bilikisu, Yusuf ibn Tashifin, Emperor Ezana, Queen Judith, Zara Yaqub, etc., etc. And we're going to throw in a bonus class. Did you know the concept of the secret is itself of African origin? And as ever, we are not going to be making hollow claims. Not only are we going to present the information, we're going to present the proof and the evidence. So look out for our bonus, the African origin of the secret. In the education program phase 2, we are going to teach about Africa and its role in the origin of humanity, the evolution of culture, and the birth of civilization. We're going to get into some serious detail about the ancient Egyptians. We're going to take apart the ancient Egyptian chronology and reconstruct it. You're going to get a most detailed account of Old Kingdom Egypt, Middle Kingdom Egypt, New Kingdom Egypt. You're going to deal with the first period of Kush and the later empire of Kush. We're going to deal with the hidden history of black people in Asia, the kind of content that the late Runoka Rashidi specialized in. We're going to be dealing with the Sumerians and the Elamites and so on. We're also going to deal with Hannibal the Great and the civilizations of Carthage and Numidia. And finally, we're going to deal with the early slave trade against Africans, and essentially showing how these ancient civilizations more or less disappeared, but they left an important trace. In the third part of the education program rollout, we're going to deal with the slave trade and the destruction of Africa, and we're going to combine it with a very detailed breakdown of the anti-slavery resistance and rebellions, including the all-black state in Brazil, the Republic do Palmares, enslaved Africans running away, creating their own kingdom. We're going to deal with the Ashanti Empire in Africa. We're also going to deal with prominent black people over the last 500 years. We're going to deal with the colonization of Africa and the Pan-African resistance movement, the rise and fall of Black Wall Street in Tulsa, Oklahoma, the African-American civil rights struggle, the Black British civil rights struggle, and the South African struggle against apartheid and colonization. As ever, if you want more information, click on the link below to subscribe to our course and join the most powerful Black history course ever put together, aimed at a global audience.